How to change Reddit icon. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit, and once you do that, click on the avatar at the top right, then click on settings. And here, from the premium section, click on change app icon. Now, as you can see, there are some free icons that you can choose from, and there are some paid premium icons. So let's start with the free ones first. Say for example, you wanted to change the orange red icon to the Doge icon. Just select it as we just did, and then click on save at the top right corner of your screen to save the changes. And as you can see, the Reddit app has been changed to the Doge icon that we've chosen. For example, another one, let's do it again. Click on Reddit avatar at the top right, then click on settings, then change app icon. Say for example, this Wall Street icon, then click on save. It will be changed to that icon. Now for the premium icons, you need to purchase a premium plan. Say for example, this Amaze Doge, Astronaut, Planet, Alien Blue, etc. You need to unlock the icons with premium, as the button says at the bottom. And once you have purchased the plan, you will be able to unlock a lot of features, and not only the app icon. And it's like almost $60 a year and $7 per month for you to get the premium paid icons. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the Reddit app icon. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.